Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how I make my sketches. It will be one of 3 videos that I will make about my drawing process. I will begin with, I will show you my reference and show you how I make the face structure, how do I compose the geometric features, figures, I don't know how to pronounce it. Never mind. But I will show you how I make the composition for a face before I draw the actual face features. So pretty much everything I need, I do. I will begin with showing you. I always search on my laptop what kind of reference I will use. So this is my reference today. It's a it has a little bit of face expression. I like it because last times I didn't really have a lot of face expressions, so I find it pretty interesting to choose a more difficult one, kind of. So yeah, I'll leave my laptop here so I can look at it. Yeah, perfect. And by the way, I have managed to have some more light today. Look at this. It's my grandma's light. It's all I have today, so I hope it's enough. So let's begin. It's my iPad. And I will now change the camera position. I don't know how to do it. Oh shit, I almost destroyed my light, my only light. See here, I'll take my sketchy set. Most of the time just this one, HB Soft Sketch. I think this is perfect. Alright, so first, I'm looking at where are geometric figures right here, like here, or here is a kind of round circle, I think. So yeah, I'll begin with Alright, that's it for today. I will make a next video continuing this drawing so you can see how I finish this piece, and yeah, how I color and make the final steps. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. If it was helpful and just fun to watch, subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment for what can I make in the next video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!